Every global drink begins its journey far from the factory floor. For Coca-Cola, sweetness starts in these fields. Timing matters when raw materials move at scale.
Here, crops become industrial ingredients.
Volume and consistency drive modern production. Raw sweetness is extracted under immense force.
Heat transforms liquid into concentrated sugar.
Crystals emerge from chemistry and time.
Precision separates usable sweetness. From plant to standardized ingredient. Moisture control ensures stability.
Storage prepares sugar for global distribution.
Water defines the drink more than any other ingredient.
Every drop is engineered for consistency.
Natural flavors begin as agricultural products.
Every kilometer is planned for precision timing.
Ingredients approach their final destination. Security protects consistency at scale.
Is this shipment cleared for Zone 4?
Yes, ma'am.
All sealed up.
Every delivery is verified before entry.
Nothing enters unaccounted.
Internal flow mirrors production efficiency. Here, transport hands over to production.
Bulk ingredients arrive in controlled form.
Water quality is protected at every step. Flavor components remain tightly controlled.
Digital systems confirm traceability. Automation removes human error.
Conditions are engineered for stability.
Supply waits for its moment in production. Next, ingredients enter the heart of the factory.
This is where global volume meets precision. This is where global volume meets precision.
Every movement follows a defined system.
Temperature control keeps production stable. Purity starts before mixing begins. Raw materials enter controlled environments.
Clean environments protect the product. Consistency begins with discipline. Inside, precision replaces scale. Every section has a purpose.
Data drives every decision.
Ingredients move, unseen, but controlled. This is where formula takes shape.
Small adjustments maintain balance.
Recipes are locked, not guessed.
Production officially begins. Downstream systems synchronize. Next, preparation meets precision. Every container starts pristine.
Impurities are removed with exacting force. Polishing ensures flawless appearance.
Every unit meets stringent standards.
Human eyes catch what machines might miss.
Errors are removed before filling begins. Sanitation flows seamlessly into preparation. Dry surfaces prevent contamination. Even closures meet precise standards. Everything in place for the perfect mix.
Precision handling prevents spillage.
Sorting guarantees uniformity.
Human oversight ensures machine precision.
Numbers match plans before production continues.
The audio features a male voice narrating the phrase, "Everything flows in sequence."
Flow must be consistent and uncontaminated. Bubbles are measured with engineering precision. Clean, sorted, and ready for transformation. The flavor foundation is stored under strict control. Consistency begins with precise flow. Carbonation gives the drink its signature sparkle. Heat and timing balance flavor and effervescence. Every liter is routed with precision.
Samples confirm flavor before filling begins.
Digital checks ensure exact specifications. Positioning is critical for uniform filling. Each bottle receives identical flavor. Nothing is wasted. Everything is reclaimed. Foam control ensures perfect pour. Brand identity meets engineering accuracy. Imperfections are removed instantly. Inside, the final touches complete the transformation.
Every bottle is precisely aligned before finishing.
Nothing leaves without final validation. Delivery begins with robotic precision. Verification happens at every stage. Automation maximizes space and minimizes risk. Verification happens at every stage. Automation maximizes space and minimizes risk.
Synchronization prevents bottlenecks.
Environmental control maintains product integrity.
Synchronization prevents bottlenecks.
Environmental control maintains product integrity. Safety checks are non-negotiable. Integration ensures minimal human handling.
Efficiency and speed merge seamlessly.
Alignment guarantees smooth downstream handling.
Humans supervise while machines execute.
Even weight and balance are constantly monitored. Every layer is applied flawlessly.